Hello everyone, I'm Roy Zheng. Have you heard about hydroponic farming? Today I'm going to show you an app called Leafi. This is a hydroponic assistant app which helps users to manage their indoor hydroponic tanks. This is the first page when users enter the app. Users can select the hydroponic tank that they want to manipulate. Seems that only tank A is connected, so let's select tank A to start our journey. After selecting the tank, users need to select the mode that they want to apply to the tank. You may wonder what mode is. Actually, the mode is like the beginner package containing the predefined parameters for different vegetables. For example, beans and rockets here are some of the beginner modes. When users select this mode, the tank parameters are already turned to some suitable value for farming. Of course, users are also allowed to customize their own mode. There are lots of flexibility for you to control the hydroponic tank. Let's select the rocket mode. What we see here is the home page. Users can navigate to other main functions through the navigation bar at the bottom. There's another utility navigation bar on the top, but we will talk about this later. In homepage, the top section is the tank data overview. It includes video streaming and also the most essential data value like temperature, humidity, and CO2. The next section is the plant overview. It includes a notification to remind the user how and when to take care about their plants. The bottom section is the records of the program action, which actually is an advanced function, and we will talk about this later. So why don't we try the first main function, tank. This is the tank page. For your reference, there's a lot of sensors and controllers installed inside the hydroponic tank in order to fully maintain the growing environment. There are two sections in the tank page, which are the equipment control and the nutrient control. In the equipment control, there's a few subsections, like the cameras, the lights, the climates, and also the water. Let me show you the functions of the camera. User can watch the streaming of the plant through the viewfinder. Also, user can take the instant snapshot by clicking the capture button. There is another advanced function, we call it auto snapshot. User can turn on the function and set the interval. Then the camera will automatically take a snapshot for us with the selected interval. Let's explore another function of camera, time-lapse. Camera function not only take the instant photos, but also generates the videos. For example, let's select the first snapshot we took at the very beginning. Then we click the Create Time-Lapse button. We have already used the first image as the beginning frame of the time-lapse. Let's use the latest snapshot as the ending frame. User can adjust the FPS of the time-lapse to control the length of the video. Now we got a time-lapse recording of the entire growing process. Let's try another data we may frequently use it. We found that the temperature is too warm for us to farm the rockets, so we would like to adjust the temperature. How can we do this? First, open the temperature model. Here we can see that the current temperature value retrieved from the sensor, and the target temperature of day and night. Also, it records the temperature changes, so you can analyze the climate change of the hydroponic tank. Let's get back to the target temperature and adjust the temperature to 19 Celsius. Now you see the target temperature is updated. No worry, the real temperature of the hydroponic tank will drop soon. Let's move to the nutrient section. In nutrient section, users can find all the data widgets related to the nutrient, like the electrical conductivity and the pH value. Let's take a look at the nutrient ratio. There are three kinds of nutrients injected to water. User can adjust the injection value and also find the details about the nutrient. You will also notice the user to refill the nutrients if the nutrient is at low level. Next, let us explore the second main function of Leafi, plants. Plants page provides an intuitive way for users to analyze the growing process of their plants. Let's select a plant. A tiny model at the bottom shows the overview of these plants, including the name of vegetable, the status, the date of growth, and how many days left to harvest. Let's drag the model and open the plant information page. More details are shown on this page. User can find the updates of the plants, the planting tutorial, or even the planting diary to have a fully understanding of the plant status. Let's harvest the rocket. When user clicks on the harvest button, it will show an animation to teach users how to harvest properly in the hydroponic tank. Follow the step carefully and click the finish button when you are done. After harvesting, we can see that the plant status is updated. Now the 3D model in the plant page is auto-updated. User can track the plant history in the history section. Let's move to the last function of the app's program. As I said before, program is an advanced function for users who want to set up some rules or some condition for handling the special situations. For instance, user can assign the program to take a snapshot when the water flow is at a low level. Let's try to create a new program. This time, I want to monitor the nutrient values of the tank, so I would like to have a notification when the electrical conductivity reaches a certain level. First, I select the sensor that I want the program to monitor. Let's select electrical conductivity. Second, I have to select the threshold or the triggering point of this program. Third, I have to select which controller I will take action to. Let's select the notification unit. Finally, select the action. Now we can see a program preview at the top of the model and save it. A new program is added to the program dashboard. However, you may wonder when will we know the program is triggered. Users can view the program record at the program action page. Here, the program execution is indexed by the time and date. User can also use the filtering and sorting function to search for the particular program actions. Actually, Leafi has a hidden function most of the users may not notice. User can open the switch mode page to change to another hydroponic machine or change to another planting mode. Now, let's try to switch to the test 1, 2, 3 mode. And now we have switched to a customized mode named test 1, 2, 3. And finally, Leafi provides a notification panel to remind the user about the tank, plants, program, and even the weather. And that's the end of the introduction of Leafi. Hope you enjoy it and see you next time.